Welcome. This course explores candle wax, the fuel behind the flame and fragrant magic. We'll delve into its types and properties, empowering you to choose the perfect wax for your creations. What is candle wax? Imagine a candle burning brightly. The key player? Wax. This combustible substance acts like fuel. It holds the fragrance and wick, allowing the flame to flicker and release its lovely scent. Without wax, our candles wouldn't exist. Types of wax. The world of candle wax offers two main categories, natural and petroleum-based. Natural waxes, eco-friendly choices, derived from renewable sources like plants or insects. These waxes are often the environmentally conscious crafter's pick. Popular options include soy wax, made from soybean oil. It's known for clean burning and a natural appeal. Beeswax, produced by honeybees, it boasts a luxurious golden color and a hint of honey scent. Coconut wax, sourced from coconut oil, it's prized for its clean burning and excellent fragrance throw. Petroleum-based waxes, these come from petroleum, a non-renewable resource. Paraffin wax is the most common example. While it's readily available and affordable, its environmental impact is a concern for some. Understanding wax properties. Choosing the right wax hinges on understanding its properties. Here's a breakdown of some key factors. Burn time. How long do you want your candle to last? Soy wax generally burns longer than paraffin wax. Fragrance throw. This refers to how strongly the scent fills the room. Coconut wax is known for its excellent fragrance throw, while beeswax may require adjustments for a stronger scent. Appearance. Natural waxes often have a beautiful, creamy look. Gel wax, a petroleum-based option, offers a translucent, jelly-like appearance, perfect for decorative candles. Sustainability. Are eco-friendly practices important to you? Soy wax and beeswax are renewable options, while paraffin wax raises sustainability concerns. The ideal wax also depends on the type of candle you're creating. Container candles, soy wax, coconut wax, and paraffin wax are all popular choices, depending on burn time and fragrance needs. Pillar candles, beeswax and paraffin wax are often used for their firmer structure, ideal for freestanding pillar candles. Votive candles, soy wax and paraffin wax are common choices for these small, self-contained candles. Tea lights, paraffin wax is frequently used for tea lights due to its affordability and low melting point. Choosing the right wax. With this knowledge in hand, you're ready to tackle wax selection. Consider these factors. Desired burn time. Do you want a long-lasting candle for ambience or a shorter burn for quick fragrance bursts? Fragrance strength. How important is a strong scent throw? Sustainability. Do you prioritize eco-friendly options? Budget. Consider the cost difference between various waxes. Remember, experimenting is key. Don't be afraid to try different waxes to discover what works best for you and your candle creations.